Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at a New Year's lunch and what we did on New Year's Day. As you can see, my mom's not talking and I'm talking. She's on a break for today because it is New Year. And as you can see, my mom's preparing dal payasam, sambar, and this New Year we're not doing anything non-vegetarian. We're doing something vegetarian because we're tired of eating chicken, mutton, fish, and all those non-vegetarian things. And as you can see, my mom is preparing dal vada, and I like this vada very, very much because it is really, really soft. And now, as you can see, we're eating our lunch for today, and you can see all the dishes. And you can see the potato fry, payasam, sambar, vada, and rasam also. And now my mom's going to be eating. What we're gonna do today is we're going to go to a park, and we're going to be going to a park to take pictures um and play. As you can see right now, we're on the way to the park. We had to go about an hour away to get there, and right now we're just waiting and eating what is it called we're eating gummies, and we're eating jalapeno chips as we're going in the car. And now we just passed a park that we might go to later, and the place we're going to is called Sunken Gardens. If you guys want to know where it is, I'll leave a link under the video and you can go check where that is. Right now we're entering the park area, and we're going to be parking our car. Inside the park, everything's safe, and you have to social distance, and you have to stay 6 feet away from the other person. And now you can see a parrot, and what the parrot did is it actually talked and said what we said. Like, we said hi, and then it said hi also. And in this park, it's filled with plants from different parts around the world, like Africa, Japan, China, and animals around the world also. And as you can see, in this park, it's really a good place to take pictures because everything's so green, and everything's so green, and there's perfect lighting. And this plant is from I think Australia. For every plant, it says it shows where it's from, like what country it's from, and where it originated. And look at this really tall palm tree. Look how big that is. And look at this really big banyan tree right here. And right now, there's a signboard of where everything is, like an amphitheater and some other places. And right now, this is another parrot that's white. And right now, what we're going to see is some flamingos. As you can see, they're standing on one foot and eating something. These flamingos were in America from like 1930 and like in the beginning of the 1900s. But since due to what is it called, poaching and poaching them for their pink fur and their valuables, they started decreasing in numbers and they're endangered. And now you can see some and yeah, and now you can see some more plants and trees. And this is a really cool area to take a picture. Like there's rocks and in the backgrounds flamingos. And I think these are red flowers from Australia. And this here is like an amphitheater where you can dance and take some pictures. And me and my sister even danced in this stage right there, as you can see right now. See, my sister's dancing right now. Right now, we're heading. We found this table and this plant with that yellow flowers that's blooming. And look at this place. There's a bunch of plants on the ceiling and walls, and this place was really cool. And this here is just a trail of more plants. And we're gonna go into this trail, and at the end there's like a circle of plants. And this tree was from China. It originated from China. Oh, look at that turtle right there. And that one in that cave. Here some people were taking pictures from the bridge that was up there. And there was flamingos with Christmas hats. And here there's fish named koi. They on the board it said they can live to 35 to 50 years, and some were recorded to live 100 years even. And on the board it also said they lived 100 they grew about 35 inches, which is really big. And there's some more here. And up the stream there's a lot of fish up the stream. As you can see right now, look how many fish there are. They come in colors of white and orange. And there were also baby fish there also, that which was hard to see on camera. And they even come in patterns of like red and white and orange and white, and some really cool patterns, as you can see. And what was cool is it didn't even stink like they were fish. Like, you know that smell when you're around fish. And here is a lawn. It said this place was a wedding lawn. And there's a signboard over there that says Sunken Gardens. And here you can just take pictures, and I think weddings happen here also. As you can see, these are roses. Those ones right there. Right now, we're headed to see some bamboo from Southeast Asia. And what the bamboo does is it inhales the carbon dioxide we breathe out, and it exhales the oxygen we breathe in so we can live. And these are some more flowers that had berries on them, I think. Yeah, I think those are berries. And now we found this waterfall that we were looking for. Even though it's small, it was pretty cool to take pictures and cool to look at. And here it's like a little cave area where you can sit down. And right now we're looking at that big tree that's in front of us. And now we're headed to a park named Crescent Lake Park. I'll leave where this is at in the I'll leave a link where this is at in the description also. So in this park you can there's like a lake and a playground, and some people had hammocks and were sitting in that and laying in that. Right now we're just gonna find a bench to sit at and play catch. As you can see, there's a squirrel right here. It's climbing up that tree really fast. And here we were feeding some squirrels. We were feeding it chips. As you can see, it just ate it and ran away. It's eating it over there. And we're throwing it some more chips. It's looking at the chips. It's eating the chips. It's looking and eating at the chips. And as you can see, it went for one more chip. and me and my sister are playing catch right now. This park was very good because it was big and there weren't a lot of people where we were at, which is good. Now we just came back from what we saw. We thought we saw snake skin, but it was just a piece of plastic. And now we're headed to the playground. There was a few people here, but we went with masks and were safe and didn't go around many people. In this playground, there's a slide, a swing, monkey bars, and a lot of other things. As you can see, my sister is swinging on the swing. And right now, I'm doing the monkey bars over there. And now I'm going to swing on the swing now. As you can see, I'm going really high on the swing. And here are some other kids playing. And there's an owner playing with a frisbee with his dog. They're throwing around the frisbee and the dog is going to fetch it and give it back to them. And this park's name is called Crescent Lake Park. It's in the city of St. Petersburg, Florida. And as you can see, we're heading home now, and that's it for this vlog. Bye, guys.